Opening the Minis Thomas and French calendar. Yeah.
Welcome to my playhouse. Ta-da!
Today the sun's a little brighter. Slow on and smile a little wider.
Push Ricky.
Push it out somehow.
I get it now. I did not know that was the tractor.
That's okay. We're gonna tape it.
Ooh.
Mini Thomases.
How can-
24 Mini Thomases.
Ooh.
Wow.
It just opens right up.
Wow, and they're in order, like 1, 2, 3, all the way to 24. How excited are you?
Very excited. I thought this was like the number 1 because there was a number 1 right on there, but except it was the number 18.
Okay, are you gonna do it?
Yes.
What number are you gonna start with?
1.
Okay. Let's see what's in number 1. What do you think? Is that Nia? Do you think it's Nia in there?
No, I think it's a mini.
It's a mini Nia?
Yes.
You think so? Okay.
What do you think it is?
Well, I don't know. I think it's Nia because Nia is there.
Bro, it's Birdie. I have not gotten Bird.
Wow! I have never seen Mini Birdie.
Me either.
Wow!
I never saw a Truckmaster Birdie or Mini Birdie. I only saw the wooden Birdie. Wow, this one is so cool though.
Well, we started very well this calendar, huh?
Yeah, but this one is the really cool. This is the regular Birdie that's me, and it's really cool.
Wow! It does look cool. Okay,
Yep.
should we see what's in number 2?
Okay.
I see some green.
It's Henry. It's Henry. Yeah.
How do you know that?
Because I just saw it. And the number 3. And it's Snowy Henry.
Wow, just in time for Christmas.
Yep. Oh, the scarf is covering the number 3 right there.
Oh yeah.
Boop.
This is a cool calendar.
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you here.
Wait,
Who's
this
that?
is Snowy Percy?
Is it?
Oh, it's not. It's Snowman Percy.
It's Snowman Percy?
Yeah, because look at the current nose.
A carrot nose!
Yeah, it's Snowman Percy.
That's really cool. Wow. You're gonna have a long train there. Okay. This is a pretty good calendar, isn't it?
Yeah.
Who's that?
It's regular Mia.
Nia.
It's regular Mia though.
It's regular Nia. Okay.
And just like regular Birdie.
Do you have regular Nia as a mini?
Yeah. No,
Do you need help there?
I don't think so. I actually do have a regular Mia as a mini.
Oh, this is hard. Nia doesn't want to come out.
Yeah. It's nice and cozy in there, I guess. But he'll have even a bigger home that's cozy.
Wow.
With more mini friends.
And these look like Christmas ornaments. Look at that.
Yeah.
You can take them out, put a string, and it's a Christmas ornament.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah. How did they?
Hang them in your tree.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Number 5.
But they're Christmas fan ornaments.
Who's in there?
Oh,
Wow.
I do not know what that kind is, actually.
It's
but-
Thomas on fire?
No, it's not. It's maybe raised Thomas or something. It's definitely not raised Thomas, actually.
Boy, it's really tough. Wow. You
Yeah.
don't have a Thomas like this on flame, on fire. He's trying to deliver all the presents to help Santa. Oh no.
I did not see where he was going.
Okay, let's see number 6.
But for it to be a Christmas ornament, you have to take off these numbers.
Okay.
And take it off the box.
Who's that?
It's Present Diesel.
It's Present Diesel. Wow.
Wait, is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Who's that?
It's Ninja Diesel.
It's a Ninja Diesel.
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Nothing.
What?
Just kidding.
This is nothing. Is that the gingerbread house?
Yeah. Wait, this is another diesel. Where's it then?
Wow, that's a cute puppy.
Maybe it's Puppy Diesel or Dan Diesel. Or maybe it's Dan. Puppy Dan. But maybe it's more like Puppy Diesel.
That looks so cool.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Who's in there? Is that a Thomas?
It is! It's Candy Thomas.
It's a candy chocolate Thomas.
No, it's Candy Thomas. Wait, is it?
Let me help you.
Oh,
We got it.
I was just trying really hard. Look at his face, it's
He
messy.
has some chocolate on his face. I guess Thomas found the candy and the chocolate. Okay, let's do number 1. Who's in there?
No one's in number 1. This is
Number
not
9. Ooh,
It's
who's that?
Hero. It's Hero. It's Ninja Hero. Wait.
It's a ninja hero? Let
Yeah.
me see. Wow. Okay. We can be friends with Diesel.
No, he can't. He's a nice engine. Diesel's is bad engine. It's
James.
yeah, it has James on the picture.
Well, that's good. Is this just regular James?
Yeah, it is.
Yep. Well, he's still ready for Christmas because he's red.
Yep, he's a Christmas color.
Yep.
Chris,
Wow, they all look great.
yeah, and Birdie is a road vehicle, so why is he a mini?
Okay, number 11. Who's in there?
Boop, boop, boop.
Wow, that looks Christmassy.
Wait, is it Thomas or is it? Is it really Thomas or is it Percy? Kind of looks like Thomas to me. It is. Wait, I do not know who it is
Ooh, I don't know either.
because I cannot see the
Oh,
eyebrows.
it's Thomas. It has number 1.
I know it has number 1.
That's Thomas. And has the goggles and everything. Okay, number 11. Ooh.
No, it's not. Number 11 is
Number
12.
12. Sorry, you're right. What's that?
Oh, I already have this one. It's Octopus Percy.
Octopus Percy, and you already have her. Okay. Lucky number 13.
Hey, why
Who's
is
in
this
there?
one is already opened?
I don't know.
Ooh,
Who's that?
I do not know.
This is new.
Yeah.
Has number 520.
I think I have to watch Thomas and Friends to learn that name again.
But it looks cool.
Yeah, it's the regular version.
Yes.
It's regular. But it's green, so it's still ready for Christmas.
He's still ready for Christmas.
Just because, but that's not his Christmas costume. It's regular. Wait.
Number 14. Wow.
Wait, it's
Is
me.
that a penguin?
No, it's Penguin Mia.
Oh, Penguin Mia. Wow, I'm excited about this one. Wow.
No,
and it has the beak and everything.
It looks so cute. Look how long this train is.
It's getting very long.
I don't think it even turned. Choo, 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 choo. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, number 15. Who's that?
It's
Thomas with stars.
no, it's Starfish Thomas. Ah,
Starfish Thomas.
it even has a starfish on its eye.
Let's see that. Wow. He's looking sharp. I think he's ready for a beach holiday.
Yeah.
After Santa comes, he's ready to go to the beach.
Birdie, 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 birdie.
Okay, number 16. We're almost there.
Yep, we just have to go to this one.
Who's that?
It's
Wow, I've never seen
then
this one.
it's Ferdinand.
Ferdinand.
It's the logging logo. It's one of the logging logos. It's a logging logo. Ferdinand is a logging logo.
Can we see it?
So it's from Misty Island, which is not a true island, so.
It's looking cool.
Yep. It's at the back of the line right now. But
Well,
safe.
right now, because we have not opened number 17.
Yeah, but soon. The one in here is gonna be in the back of the line.
What's that one?
Ooh.
It has polar bears on it?
Ooh, it's polar bear. Ooh, what does it say?
Let's read. It says Scarloey?
It's
Scarloey?
a Scarloey.
Scarloey polar
Yeah.
bear.
Scarloey. It's polar bear Scarloey. Oh.
That's cute.
Mm,
Boy, these mini trains are getting cuter and cuter.
yeah. Ferdinand not in the back of the line anymore.
Nope. Number 18. Let's see if we have Thomas in here because we have number 1 and I'm wondering if there's gonna be Thomas in there or not.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It's
James. Right?
yeah.
That's
it's-
James.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. That looks interesting.
Yeah, it's not a regular one, but I
Does it
didn't.
have some flames?
No.
Dragons.
It's Dragon James. We have to start turning because it was gonna go under the couch now if it just kept going straight.
Number 19.
Oh.
Luke.
Yeah, Luke. Regular Luke.
Is it?
Yeah.
But it's green. He's ready for Christmas.
No, regular Luke is green.
Number 20. Wow, that looks appetizing.
no,
Is that
it-
a cake?
no,
A Christmas cake?
No, it's cake duck. Wait, is it the? I think it's cake duck, but I need to see if cake duck is actually number 8.
Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah. It's gotta like go deep.
Wow, we should have a lot of them. 20. And now we're going to 21. Who's that? Does it have a kitty cat on there?
Yeah. Wait, this one.
Let me try to help you. Who's there?
Where is it? Is it?
Is that a cat in a hat?
Look at the name.
Yeah.
Look at the name to see.
Okay, I'm trying. It's Samson.
Samson. It's
Welcome to the family, Samson.
President Samson. Oh.
Okay, number 22. Who's in there?
No one. I bet no one's.
Is that Santa Thomas?
Yep, it is. But I think.
Wow.
Maybe.
That is a cool one. Can I see a close-up of it? Wow, we got Santa Thomas.
Maybe it's got. What? Maybe in my collection of mids, it's gotta be too much.
Do you see those glasses?
Yeah.
Is it too much? You have too many?
No.
Okay, let's do. We have 2 left. This is getting really good. Who's that?
I already have this one. It's Christmas tree Percy.
Christmas tree Percy. Okay, number 24. You better be good, number 24.
It's It's Harold.
It's Harold, but looks so cool, doesn't he?
Yeah. Doesn't even say Harold on there. But,
Yes.
but I know it's Harold because Harold is a hair color.
It's Santa sleigh and Santa.
And look at that.
That's so cute.
I think
Has a Christmas hat.
Yes.
Okay, now you tell me which one is your favorite out of the 24. Which one do you like the most?
I have an idea. It's Birdie.
It's Birdie. Yeah, I thought so because you got really excited when you opened it. Do you know which one is my favorite?
No.
Can you guess?
Birdie.
No.
Penguin Mia.
Yes, because I love penguins.
Penguin Mia and Birdie are my favorite.
Yes, they're pretty good.
I actually love penguins also.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow. So many and so cool.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.